Alright guys, last but not least, one example of the hardest problem. This is only the hardest problem just because they don't give you the equation, they give you the words of the equation, so you have to actually find out the element symbols and then balance it. Okay, so nitrogen I know is a diatomic molecule, so it's N2, plus hydrogen I know is a diatomic molecule, so H2, makes ammonium. I know that ammonia is NH3. You can also check this either on Google, or if you're taking the exam, you can check it on the polyatomic ions chart. You will see NH3 next to ammonium. So now I know that this isn't balanced because there's 2 nitrogens on this side, and there's only 1 nitrogen on this side. So I can multiply this one by 2. So now I have 2 nitrogens, but I have 6 hydrogens. So 6 hydrogens on this side, only 2 on this side. I can multiply this one by 3 to have 6 hydrogens. So 2 nitrogens, 2 nitrogens, 3 times 2 is 6 hydrogens, 2 times 3 is 6 hydrogens. So I have the equation and I balanced it. Now I just have to find what they want me to compare. So if 43 grams of nitrogen are reacted, what is the yield of ammonia in moles? Alright, so I am comparing nitrogen and ammonia. I know that my ratio right here is 1 N2 for every 2 NH3. A 1 to 2 ratio. Alright, so I can say that I'm going to keep my nitrogens at the top, keep my ammoniums at the bottom. For every 1 nitrogen, I have 2 ammonium. And that is equal to, I don't have moles to compare it to because I only have grams. So I have to turn this into moles. So I need to do dimensional analysis. To do that, I need to find the molar mass, from mass to moles. That's molar mass. So N2, the molar mass of that will be 14.007 times 2, 28.014 grams per mole. Alright, so if I have 43 grams and I want to get rid of grams, so I put it at the bottom, and I know that for every 28.014 grams I have 1 mole. Cancel out my grams, left with moles, which is what I want. Now all I have left to do is just the math. 43 divided by 28.014. 1.53 moles. Alright, so I have 1.53 moles of N2, and now I can use this mole to compare it in my molar ratio. So 1.53 moles of N2 over what moles of NH3? So butterfly cross multiplication here. 2 times 1.53 is about 3.07. 3.07 is equal to 1 times x is just x. So I have 3.07 moles of NH3. Now I have to look at my answer. What unit does it want? What is the theoretical yield of ammonia in moles? Yay! My answer is in moles. I don't have to do anything else, and I am done with this problem.